So, I've been using Linux Mint 22.3 as my daily system for a while now. Not just testing it, not just opening it for a few hours, I mean real daily use. Work, browsing, watching videos, installing apps, the normal stuff. And honestly, after all this time, the best thing I've felt about it is something very simple. It stays out of your way. That's it. And you don't really notice how important that is until you use other systems. With Mint, from the first boot, everything feels normal. You don't feel lost. You don't feel like you have to learn the system before using it. It just feels familiar, almost like you've used it before. The desktop layout is simple. There's a panel at the bottom, your menu is there, your system tray is there, your apps are easy to find. Nothing feels hidden. Nothing feels confusing. And that matters a lot, especially if you just want to get things done. Because, let's be honest, most of us are not trying to explore Linux all day. We just want to open our browser, do our work, maybe watch something, maybe install a few apps, and move on. And Mint understands that. It doesn't try to be fancy. It doesn't try to show off. It just gives you a clean, simple environment where everything works the way you expect. Even small things make a big difference, like the update manager. It doesn't throw scary messages at you. It shows updates in a simple way, and you can install them without worrying that something will break. That feeling, that trust, is very important. Because in some other systems, you always have this small fear. If I update this, will something stop working? With Mint, I didn't feel that. Updates felt safe. Another thing I noticed is how smooth everything feels. Not in a flashy way, but in a calm, steady way. Apps open without delay, settings respond quickly, the system doesn't feel heavy, and most importantly, it doesn't randomly slow down for no reason. You just use it, and it keeps working. Also, the software manager is simple. You search for an app, you click install, and that's it. No confusion, no extra steps. And if you don't want things like snap packages forced on you, Mint respects that choice. It gives you control, but without making things complicated. That balance is very hard to get right. Some systems give too much control, and everything becomes confusing. Some systems give too little, and you feel restricted. Mint sits right in the middle. Another thing I really liked is how stable it feels over time. Not just on day one, but after days, after weeks. You install apps, you update the system, you restart a few times, and everything still works the same way. No surprises, no random issues. That consistency builds confidence. You start trusting your system. And when you trust your system, you stop thinking about it. And that's the point. An operating system should not demand your attention all the time. It should just be there, doing its job, quietly. And Linux Mint 22.3 does exactly that. It doesn't try to be the most powerful. It doesn't try to be the most modern looking. It doesn't try to be different just for the sake of being different. It focuses on being usable, reliable, comfortable. And after using it daily, I can say this clearly. That's what makes it special. Because at the end of the day, you don't remember how fancy your system looked. You remember how easy your day was while using it. And with Linux Mint, your day just feels easier. Everything is where it should be, everything works the way you expect, and nothing pulls you away from what you actually want to do. So yeah, if I had to describe the best thing about Linux Mint 22.3, it's not one big feature, it's the overall feeling. A system that just works, stays out of your way, and lets you focus on your life. And honestly, that's exactly what most people need.